crispy, spicy chicken. What could be better than that? Well, this is better than that because there's a whole lot going on here, my friends. This is my version of chicken 65. Chicken 65. Okay, so this is actually an audience request, and what I had to do was go and look it up because I'd never heard of chicken 65. Now, chicken 65 is a spicy, deep-fried chicken dish. This is Wikipedia, by the way, originating from Hotel Buhari, Chennai, India. So shout out to everyone in Chennai, India. The flavor of the dish can be attributed to chilies, but the exact set of ingredients for the recipe can vary. So that's what I went with. The point is that it's delicious. All right, we're gonna start off with the marinating for the chicken first of all. All right, so to start off with, we need some natural yogurt. And I want some lemon juice here as well. Now here come all the awesome spices. Some garam masala. Some sweet paprika. So I'm using sweet paprika because it's going to add a really beautiful, big, bright red color without adding too much heat. What I did really want to use was Kashmiri red chili powder. I just couldn't get a hold of it in my local area. So if you can use Kashmiri red chili powder, please go ahead and do that. But the point is we want a really beautiful red color. Now, I also want some sugar and a little pinch of white pepper. Let's give that a mix. So now we can add in our chicken. Now, I've just got some nice little bite-sized pieces of chicken thigh here. Guess you could use breast if you wanted to, but you know me, I'm a legs and thighs girl, so you know. Now some salt here as well. Just give that a really good mix. Now, if you're really organized, you could do that the day before, but you know, I'm not, and I think this marinade has so much punch that you can just get on with it and go straight away. So don't worry if you can't leave this to marinate. So we want to test if our oil is hot enough before we get our chicken in there. And I'm just going to use a wooden spoon, and we want to see some nice little bubbles forming there, which I can see. I've got some corn flour here. So just grab maybe half of the chicken, I think is pretty good. You don't want to overcrowd your pan when you are frying. And then just give that a toss in the corn flour. Grab your chicken and make sure you kind of tap off the excess. You don't want too much of that corn flour kind of coating because we want a really nice, crisp kind of light coating going on. And then pop your chicken pieces in. Now you want to cook this chicken until it's like super ultra crispy, crunchy. You know, go for at least 5-6 minutes here per batch of chicken. You'll be able to tell. It'll be like, yeah, golden, crunchy deliciousness. So once your chicken is looking totally golden and like ridiculously delicious, just like this, you can just drain it on a wire rack or some paper towel. Okay, so that chicken looks totally delicious as it is, but we are not finished yet. We've got a whole bunch more flavor that we're gonna add in here. First of all, I'm gonna slice up some green chilies because this dish is all about being like fiery and spicy, and we actually haven't added anything hot yet. So I want some chilies, and I want some nice chunks of this green chili. All right, so a nice clean wok here, a little bit of oil. Now go in with some ginger, some garlic, your chilies, and some curry leaves. Guys, if you can get a hold of curry leaves, they are such a beautiful ingredient. They add such a wonderful aroma and flavor. If you can't, just leave them out. That's totally cool, but do try to get a hold of them if you can. Now, this was an ingredient that I think might be a little controversial, but it is in a lot of the recipes that I researched online, and that's tomato ketchup. And I do think this kind of gives it a little bit of it's almost like a Chinese kind of sweet and sour flavor a little bit to the dish, which I really like. Now, I'm also going to use some red chili powder here as well. Okay, so that's like looking fiery and delicious. Now we want to add in our chicken. And just keep tossing that around until you kind of get that lovely red color on those chicken pieces. I mean, I'm getting that, you know, that chili kind of cough thing going on. It tells me we got some spicy chicken, which I'm excited about. Okay, so pop this out onto your serving tray or plate. I like to do a few little finely sliced onion rings here, a little sprinkling of some fried curry leaves that I made earlier, just a little optional extra there. And then finally, just some little wedges of lemon. And I mean, like, come on, that is like a tray of heaven right there. Spicy chicken, the curry leaves. All right, I'm gonna get in here with a little bit of lemon because, you know, I gotta make sure that I've done a good job for you guys. You know when you make something and you're like, just, you know, in a state of serene perfection. I mean, fried chicken just doesn't get better than that. It's spicy, it's interesting, like with the curry leaves and I think that marinade as well with the yogurt. And then you've got that tiny little bit of like that sweet sour kind of ketchup thing going on. Wow, totally, totally epic. Thanks for the suggestion, guys. Hey, if you've got more recipe suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I love to hear about what you guys want to see me cook. And I love trying new things. So thank you. Yum. So good. Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, why not hit the like button? And even better, I would love so much if you would subscribe and even hit that little bell button so you get notified every time I release a new delicious video. Thanks guys.